I've been using that for a while, by the way, and I have a few things to say about it. It is the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask, and this one is in the vanilla, how do I say it, taste scent, because there's multiple scents, and it's that one right here. You can see the box. I'm also gonna compare it to like a regular lip balm from the drugstore and compare like later on the differences between both of them. All right, so in this little box, what you have is this wonderful, cute box. First, I still have the box. I don't know why. Probably because I keep them to do the videos. I box hoard? Do you, do you say that? And then you've got the lip sleeping mask, and you've got a little applicator, which is really nice because this, for the price, I hope that there's a little applicator. So this is 0.70 ounces or 20 grams of product in there. And I think this is exactly $26 Canadian, which is quite a lot of money, to be honest, for a lip product. But then you look at this cute little packaging. Look, okay? You can't say that it's not cute. The applicator to avoid any bacteria going into your lip balm, which most people, how I see it is that they don't really use the applicator just because it's really annoying. It's like not easy to use or whatever, but I mean, it's a nice addition for the price. LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. And by the way, this product is Allure 2019. Like, it was going viral in 2019. Like, everybody was buying it. There's 7 different flavors, and there's 2. Sometimes, like, there's, like, I would say, like, seasonal flavors. But the one that I got is vanilla, just because I love vanilla, and I feel like it's the best one out of them all. But the original is the berry flavor. Scent flavor. It is a leave-on lip mask that soothes and moisturizes for smoother, more supple lips overnight. It is for dryness and fine lines, which, by the way, this is all my life. Dryness and fine lines on my lips. Girl, I don't like it. And it has like a softening balm texture that closely adheres to lips for quick absorption, enriched with vitamin C and antioxidant. The berry mix complex offers a nutritionally sweet and fragrant blend of raspberry, strawberry, cranberry, and blueberry extracts to indulge the senses. And there's a moisture wrap and everything in there, with hyaluronic acid, which is amazing because I love hyaluronic acid, and minerals to form a protective film over the lips to lock in moisture and active ingredients. A generous layer of this soothing mask at bedtime helps reduce flakiness, so you can wake up to lips that feel refreshed, supple, and soft to the touch. There's no parabens, no phthalates, and it is dermatologist tested and recommended for all skin types. So that is good, and it's the best beauty award. So it says to apply overnight, a generous amount, and then wipe it when you get into the morning, which is not how I use it. I use it differently, so we're gonna use it. These are my lips that are really dry, and like there's a little cap there, which is nice because it protects. I keep it there all the time. I know, like, I'm kind of like a fanatic with that, and I've been using it quite a lot. As you can see, there's a little dent in it, but you know, I have to use a product. $26, girl. So I'm just gonna be applying it, and then I'm gonna tell you my first impressions of the product, how I've been feeling about it. Is it actually worth your money? Because $26 is not like, this is more like a luxury type of product. So let me take a good amount. All right, so that's what my lips look like. They are kind of like dry and like no life whatsoever, no shine. And that's the amount of product that I'm gonna be putting on my lips. That's a lot. Usually, I think I would put that much, and then I put my finger. And then instantly, you can see the shine, which is really nice. So when I first tried this product, like even now, I can feel that it's really hydrating, which I love. And I've been using this day and night just because my lips are so dry, and I have a tendency of biting off my lips throughout the day, you know, so this is really helping me protect. Like, if I have something on my lips, it doesn't make me want to bite my lips. It's like psychological or something. But yeah, so at night it repairs my lips. I don't have to wipe it off in the morning though, because my lips completely absorb the product. That's how like dry my lips are. And then when I reapply it in the morning, what I like about it is that I can do my skincare, or you know, like, and I feel very cute with this on. Like, it feels like it's a I would say it's like a lip gloss almost. Like you can see that it has the shine of a lip gloss, and it continued to hydrate my lips throughout the day, which is like kind of like a 2-in-1. Or you can even overline your lips, do whatever, and then put this, and it's just gonna be amazing on your lips. So if I compare it to, for example, something, I don't really have anything that looks like it. I never found anything that looks like it. So I would say that I was using the Blistex Medical Lip Ointment before that. This one is around $6 Canadian, and it's only 11 grams, which the other one is 20 grams. So let's say you double this, so $6 times 2, it's $12. Twice the price for the amount. But then again, like this absorbs so quickly in my lips. Like it feels nice for a second, right? But it does absorb very, very quickly in my lips. And then I would have to reapply another lip balm, because this you can't apply like all the time because it's medicated, you know, like it's for dryness or whatever. And that's the thing, like I have to change lip balms and have multiple lip balms with this to be able to keep my lips moisturized throughout the day, which I don't really like. I like to have one thing and to just use it throughout the entire day, because I feel like most lip balms are gonna dry out my lips more than other lip balms. And to be honest, if I compare it to Laneige, this little sleek thing, if I keep it during the day, whatever, like I can have it for like 3-4 hours straight without it smudging or disappearing. If you put a thick enough layer, if you put just a really tiny amount, after 2 hours, I feel like everything is gonna be away and gone. Like your lips are gonna just absorb everything if they're really dry. So this, I put a really thick amount though, as you can see. It's cute. It's cute. I like it, girl. It acts as kind of a lip gloss that gives you more than a lip gloss. It hydrates your lips. It even reduces the appearance of fine lines right away, just because of like how it is and the texture and everything, which the texture is really nice. But the thing is, it's a little bit heavy on the lips. Like you can feel that you have something on the lips. So if you don't like wearing this throughout the day, that's totally fine too. You can wear this at night. It totally repairs my lips like it's crazy. It works like a charm. Oh, and I have like other purposes for this mask too. So if I have like a dry patch or something on my skin, I would take this and then I would just put it to areas where I have really, really dry patches. You know, when I have like dry places, and sometimes even when I put oil or whatever, like I have to put a couple of products on top of each other. Like if it's really dry, I would just put a little bit of the lip sleeping mask. It wouldn't clog my pores in any way, shape, or form, but that's for me. Doesn't mean it's not gonna do that for you. But I use it for like around my face. If I'm dry here, I'm gonna put it here, and just to keep my skin moisturized and like prepped for the day or even for the night. Let's say I'm dry over here. I put a little bit on here, and then I would just tap it. Like it doesn't look oily, you know what I mean? Like I just put the tiniest amount possible. So for example, like my under eyes, they are very dry. So like I don't know, it's crazy. It's a lip sleeping mask, and like, why are you putting it everywhere? Girl, I'm dry everywhere. And this has been helping me like everywhere. And then I just put a little bit, and then it's really like a good product. And it doesn't even look like oily or anything, you know? Multi-purpose. I love it. I love it. Did I see results like overnight? Yes, I did. Like my lips got so much better overnight compared to like this Blistex thingy. Like, yes, it helps. And I said before that was my holy grail of lip balms. But then I tried the Laneige one, and it is so much better. So many purposes of it. I can put it other places, which I tried before to see if it worked, and it totally works. Like it's just amazing. And it's like, to me, it's like self-care as well. Like it's not only about like if it works or not, it's a cute packaging. It smells good. For like when you smell it, it's not too strong, so when you put it on your lips, you completely forget that it's there for the scent. And do I recommend it? Yeah. Like, I think it's a really good product. It's not too expensive considering the amount of product, 20 grams for $26. So let's say $1 per gram almost. Because if you're American, the US dollars, it's going to cost you less. Because Canadians, us, like, you know, we always get, it's always more expensive. If you tried it, Tell me down below. I really want to know. Tell me down below if you have any other the flavors or like scents or whatever, because this is only the vanilla. The only reason is I love vanilla, like I said, and the packaging was just the cutest. Like, it's so nude, neutral, and I just love this color compared to the others. I love a good nude packaging. So that's what I think about this product. I really feel it's a really good one. I really recommend it if you want something a little bit more, you know, look on the expensive side, if you want to pamper yourself a little bit, and that you like to have multiple purposes for a product, which is, I'm using it for a ton of different things. But if you want only drugstore and you want something good, I would recommend only Blistex. But for the lip balm, I really like it. So yes, of course, I recommend it. So if you like this video, make sure to like the video and to comment down below again what's your favorite one if you tried it before. I really want to know your opinion on the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask, if I can even say it properly. And also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, all on beauty related again. So thank you so much again for watching. I really, really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.